Good afternoon from Groovy Eggs Farm. I am Jeff. Today is Saturday, 90 degrees, partly cloudy, nice little breeze, just beautiful day. Last night I did a little bit of chicken shuffling. We'll get to that later. Today I've got a project I want to work on, get one of the coops that we brought down during the move, get it fixed up and ready to go. But before I do that, I've got this cedar tree behind me that I'm having to walk under or walk around to get to things, so I'm going to trim it up. Assessing the situation here. I've got one corner that came apart, and yeah, I gotta fix that. Probably replace that cross brace. That corner's good. That corner came apart a little bit, but need to fix that. Probably replace the cross brace. This looks pretty good. Chicken wire looks nice and sturdy. Probably have to reattach it there along the corner. And still connected up there, but the door came disconnected from the cattle panel. Used fencing staples, but I cannot find mine, or they got swiped, one of the two. So I'll come up with a workaround for that, because otherwise this yeah, that's no good. All right, off to work. It started raining. Nobody said anything about rain. I gotta get the cameras out of the rain. 1 hoop coop repaired and ready for action. And I'm gonna put it into action right away if things go as planned. I got a couple eggs here, and first I'm gonna smash these eggs in my hand and wipe it on my head, and the egg is good for the beard, so let's just smash it in the beard. No, they're ceramic. I've got some broody hens, and yeah, I'm gonna put these eggs in there and move the broody hens over here, see if they'll sit on the eggs. If they do sit on the eggs, then I've got some real eggs to put underneath them. Hey buddy, I took out your partner, your rooster partner, so you're the only white and true blue rooster in here now. And I had to reduce the number of roosters in here because I got some broody hens. There's a little duckwing. She's a blue copper bronze. Let's go. Yeah, I know. I'm going to seal a couple of your ladies. Alright, I've not been getting very many eggs out of this flock because I got 3 broody hens. Yeah, she's a white and true blue. They are not known to go broody, but I have had, I don't know how many white and true blue hens. I've had dozens and dozens. I've had like 3 that have gone broody, so. But then down here, well, we have 2 blue copper marans, both broody at the same time, both in the same nesting box. So these are the 2 that I'm gonna move. What do you say, ladies? Okay, I take that as a yes. 1 blue copper maran hen, and she's been broody about a week, so I'm gonna let her sit on some eggs. And blue copper maran hen number 2 is also broody. You want the top or the bottom? Doesn't matter, just as long as you got some eggs. Alright, we can take care of the eggs. Alright, about 15 minutes later, it looks like we got 1 happy broody hen. You haven't moved. That's a good sign. And number 2 happy broody hen. 2 happy broody blue copper marans. And I'm going to bring you some eggs tonight. What do you say about that? Alright. I've been hoping to get that done since I got here, but yeah, I'll take it. I have, 60 eggs that are due to hatch on the 12th, and today is the 6th, so less than a week. So I can, tonight, if they're still sitting on the nest box after dark, I'm gonna sneak a bunch of eggs underneath them. That'll save me some work. You know, 1 or 2 less incubators I've got to worry about, and it gives them something to do for the next month and a half. So why am I moving the broody hens? Why don't I just let them stay in the flock where they were at? Some people can do that and get away with it, but it's dangerous. The other chickens in that flock may not like having the baby chicks around. The mother might not be super protective, and it's just to protect the baby chicks. You're gonna have a better chance. A lot of people raise baby chicks in with their flock and don't have problems, but some people do have problems. So my chickens are important, so I'm going to try to reduce my problems. So, and another thing is I put 2 of them in there. I tried this not too long ago. I tried to have co-parents, and that'll work sometimes it won't. So these 2 were in the same nesting box, so I'm hoping they get along pretty good. If they don't, I've got this brooder right here as my emergency. I can move 1 mother and her baby chicks into the brooder and then go from there. So, but hopefully they can be co-parents in that coop with their baby chicks. And it's starting to rain again. The sun's out and it's raining again, and I don't want to get myself wet, so I'm going to call it a day. I was going to show you the rearranging I did last night, but that can wait for another. I did some rearranging today. I'm going to sign off. Thank you for watching. I need to take a break because tonight I got some more shuffling to do. Got to take them some eggs, and so I need a little rest before dusk. Thanks for watching. Take it easy, everybody.